All right, here we have it, the ARCCAPTAIN inverter welder, DC 200 amp welder. Let's get into this thing. I've seen other reviews that mention how well it's packed and the quality of the components. So nice heavy electrode holder. Nice ground clamp, copper braided mesh wire there. Let's see, we got our 220 and adapter here. Oh, that cheap chipping hammer. Strap for the old shoulder. There we go, the welder itself. Not too big, but again, I've heard a lot of good things, a lot of good reviews about this puppy. So the ARC 200. Decently heavy metal case, metal handle. But cool, let's see how this thing works. All right, huge advantage of this is these nice 10-foot leads, cables. Makes reaching across the shop nice, because not everyone has a 220 outlet everywhere. I have one in the garage. But anyhow, this is what we're gonna do. We just gotta weld these little pieces back in line on this old disc. Got them all prepped and ready to go, so we'll see how this beast works. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention is that on the ARC 200 series from ARCCAPTAIN and several of their welders, they've extended their warranty to 2 years, which is great when compared to similar priced options. That was the thing that made me buy this one. Just getting that 2-year warranty is awfully nice. So here's the weld on that disc bracket. This is my first weld with the ARCCAPTAIN ARC 200. It's pretty thick material, probably 3/8 or maybe a tad thicker. I use the 7018 rod and the 5/32 diameter. Didn't have any trouble welding with that. The welder has the hot start feature, which increases the voltage when you strike the arc, and then tones it down a bit. So it was pretty easy to get started and keep it going. And I think I got pretty good penetration and a decent weld here, so we'll see how it holds up. So if you're interested, or if you want to get yourself one of these welders, I'll put a link in the description.